Hi, this is Elisa, your licensed financial professional and your retirement specialist. Most of the time when I'm here in TikTok, I hear a lot of people talking about investments, how good it is, to save for retirement, making sure where to put your money and where to put your money so it can compound. One of the things that people are forgetting about is how to build a correct solid financial foundation. So I don't know if you've heard about this book. This is the Saving Your Future book, and most of the workshops or all of the workshops that we do here in our organization is from the Saving Your Future book. So like building a house, right? You have to start it from the ground up, okay? So you start with protection and then debt management, emergency fund, and then investment, all right? So first, you should have proper protection in the event of disability, health problems, or premature death. Most of the time, people, they talk about investment all the time. They don't really think about proper protection. But guess what? When sickness happens, disability happens, you cannot work. So where will you get the money to support your family if they don't have any plan on when they cannot work anymore and then the income stops? So that's why it makes sense to do proper protection as the foundation of your house. And then you should reduce your debt and liability and get out of debt. Okay, so that's why we do workshop on debt management. And then you should set aside 3 to 6 months your money for emergency fund, because again, emergencies happen. And of course, you invest in the long run, and that's why we talk about investment, right? So a lot of times people, again, they do investment before they even, put something in place in case something happens to them. So when something happens, all of their money goes to medical bills. And so their family don't have anything because they did not plan for sickness or disability. Okay? So all of these things needs to be done, in the proper order, or you can do them at the same time, okay? To make sure you're building a solid financial foundation. So as a priority, you should consider protection first. Why? Try to save a few $100s a month, but no insurance. When you get sick, disabled, or die suddenly, these savings won't last very long. Likewise, if you have an emergency but your money is tied up in some investment, how would you deal with sudden expenses? You may have to get in more debt. And a strong foundation will build a sturdier, more enduring financial house. Otherwise, it won't remain standing when the storms of life strike. Thus, the 4 financial foundation layers will build a solid ground for your financial future. So very great information, this concept of financial foundation, and it's from the Saving Your Future book. By the way, I give free books, okay? So if you want a free copy of this book, very thin, right? You can read this in one night. Send me a message and I'll let you know how to get that book. Again, attend our workshops, because in the workshop we talk more about the in-depth of this concept, and it's not all about investment, guys. You gotta know the holistic approach, learn more about proper protection, debt management, emergency fund, and then of course investment, and of course estate planning also. So again, this is Elisa, your licensed financial professional and retirement specialist, also your financial educator, telling you happy holidays and have a safe day. Bye bye.